What is going on, everybody? Jason with Heap of Jeep. Alright, I just did the first oil change on the new engine yesterday. I made a flippin' rookie mistake. Notice what's missing on that one? That's the old oil filter. There's supposed to be a little rubber seal that goes around there. So, what happens when you take the old oil filter off, but the rubber seal stays attached to the engine, and then you put the new oil seal on? Real bad things. Before I tell you how all of this happened, please click like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that little bell notification down in the corner so that you never miss a Heap of Jeep video. In a nutshell, the new seal on the new oil filter mates up against the seal on the old. So you've got two rubber seals there that you're never going to get tight enough to stop the oil. What happens, you start the engine, oil pressure goes up, like, hey, that's great. And then you think, okay, I'm done. You go in, you get ready for work, you start heading to work. As soon as you get up to highway speeds, I got up to about 55 miles an hour, and I noticed on the back of the Jeep here, the back window is getting something on it. It's like, is that rain? Like, wow, it's not raining. Why am I getting drops on the back window? It was oil that was coming out between the two O-rings on the oil filter there, and coming down underneath the Jeep and splatting up and hitting it. As soon as I realized what was going on, that's when I noticed the oil pressure gauge going way down real fast. That oil comes out of there super quick, and I got over to the side of the road, shut the engine off just as the little light came on saying, hey, check your gauges. So I don't think I did any damage to the Jeep. I got over quick enough, but it's something to be cautious of, and it's a frickin' rookie mistake. When you take the old oil filter off, you gotta check and make sure that gasket came off with it, and I didn't. Today's mission, pull the new oil filter off and get that old seal off, and then I've bought a new filter to put on. Anyways, I don't want to trust this one. I may have done some kind of damage to it when oil was pouring out of there. So, new filter, and then just fill it back up with oil. That's the old seal right there. And the new one's still attached to that. So, like I say, rookie mistake. Should have noticed that from the get-go. Why replace the new one? Well, that seal is coming out of the new one. I could put that down in there and, you know, it would probably be alright, but I don't want to take the chance. Seeing the new O-ring nice and solidly attached. This will work. So I don't know exactly how much oil came flying out of there last night. It's below the dipstick level. It's not registering, so it's at least, what, 2 quarts low probably. So I'm going to start with 2 quarts, check the dipstick, and just go slow. Make sure I don't overfill it. Alright, so it started. You could tell it was low on oil, but the pressure came right back up, and I'm not hearing anything to be concerned about. Like last time, I'm not seeing any leaks, but this time I'm going to go take it out around the neighborhood before I drive it all the way to work and just double check, because I'm a little nervous now. Alright, so far so good. It's almost up to temp, and oil pressure holding steady. Haven't quite gotten it up to, I want to get it to around 60 or so. I don't know if you could see all the smoke coming off. That's the oil that dripped on the exhaust and was flying out the back. And so as the exhaust is heating up, that's all starting to burn off. It stinks. But rookie mistake, crisis averted. I may have only been wrenching on my Jeeps for the last 12, 13, 14 years, something like that, but I've been changing my own oil since I was in high school 30 some years ago. I can't believe I did that. Alright my friends, I will catch you on the next video. Still lots to do. I still got to do everything on this. I still haven't started on the Honda yet. It's cooling down. My enthusiasm to work outside has waned a lot, but we'll keep the videos coming. Please click like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video.